Great. Okay, so I think a couple videos ago I asked you to save stuff like this mail. This is a bank statement, and if I carefully open this up, I wasn't very careful, but I'm trying to get this opened up. I think that's my bank statement. I better not lose it. You can see, maybe you can see, there's this amazing, incredible pattern, and every single envelope has a different pattern. So not every single envelope, but there's all these great patterns inside your bills and your bank statements and all that stuff. Not yours, but your parents. So what we're going to do is, can you see that? We're going to trace squares. The easiest way to do this is to make yourself some square cardboard templates. I have a couple different sizes here, and you just trace them right on your paper, and you get some squares. And I save this paper all the time, so I have a huge stack of squares. And with those squares, and I have different sizes, and they have all different patterns. I don't know, this might be hard to see. There's a pattern. There's another pattern. There's also different colors, although they tend to be blue or black, once in a while green. So I have made those into origami paper and made all different origami things with them. There's, oh yeah, last one. And additionally, sorry about that. You can cut them. This is supposed to be more square. You can glue them onto something and make patterns. This might be reference to something you might be doing in first grade. But anyways, those are different quilt patterns. And I think that's it. How to use our envelopes how to use those envelopes to get some interesting papers and have fun with them. Anyways, I hope you get a chance to do this, and I look forward to seeing anything you create. Good luck. Make the best. Here we are trying to make lemonade. Good luck to all of you.